I eat rice, she sings well, she runs fast. They play football, he reads book, birds fly high. Cats drink milk, fish swim fast. He loves music, she likes tea, they eat together. We go home, you speak well, she dances well, she works hard. We watch TV. I am proud, I am optimistic, I am shy, I am lucky. I am excited, I am okay, I am sorry, I am busy. I am sociable, I am happy, she is tall, she runs fast, they are here. We like pizza, it is cold, she has a cat, he is a doctor. The sun is bright, I love music, the dog barks. She sings well, he drinks coffee, the baby sleeps, the bus is late, she wears his hat. English conversation, Lina. Hi, Tina. It is you. Tina, oh, how are you? It's been a long time. Lina, I am fine. What about you? We last meet during the board exams. Tina, I am good too. Lina, what are you doing now? Tina, I have started my undergraduate studies in English honors at Xavier College. Lina, you finally got to study the subject you love the most. Tina, too. What about you, Lina? Rina, I took up history honors in Lady Shirampur College for Women. Tina, that's nice. I am so happy. Rina, yes, I am so happy. Tina, yes, sure. We have a lot to catch up on. Tina, bye for now. I have to pick up my sister from tuition. Take care. Tina, bye. Will you? Bye. Will you see? Don't use the eraser. Spoken English. Don't use the eraser. Hold the pencil. Be careful. Be brave. Be still. Be quiet. Don't be late. Don't talk. Watch out. Come early. Don't move. Don't be shy. Be afraid. Be giddy. Be silent. Keep quiet. Calm down. Get up ready. Don't quarrel. Bring my umbrella. Give me eraser. Give me sharpener. Believe me. Call me back as soon as possible. Give me a hand. I don't understand. I don't mean it. How much is it? How was your weekend? What did you say? What do you need? What do you think? What do you want to do? What's the weather like? Where are you going? Is all good? Is everything okay? That's are you doing? Absolutely not. I have no idea. I agree. I am at home. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's okay. It really takes time. Is to he best. No, I don't want. See you. তোমার সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দিও।